How to delete your TikTok account. Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets TikTok tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to permanently delete your TikTok account. So if you're trying to permanently delete a TikTok account so that it's no longer on TikTok, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to do that. All right, so to get started, the first thing we need to do is simply open up the TikTok app on our iPhone or Android phone and select the profile icon in the bottom right of the app. Once you get to your profile, select the three horizontal lines in the top right of the app to open the menu, and then in the bottom menu, select Settings and Privacy. Once the Settings and Privacy open up, select Account, which should be near the top. And then all we want to do is select the last option for Deactivate or Delete your account. So as you can see in here, there are two different options. The first is going to be to deactivate your account. This will remove it from TikTok, but they'll still have all the data stored there, and you can always reactivate it by just logging back in. The second option is to delete your account permanently, and this will deactivate your account for 30 days. And if you do not reactivate your account by logging in, after 30 days, your account will be deleted. So that's what we're going to select. Once you select it, just give them a reason, then scroll down and select Continue. Once you select Continue, you'll be given an option to download all of your TikTok data, including your video posts, things like that. Keep in mind, once you delete your account, you will no longer be able to download these things. So if you want it, go ahead and get it down by selecting Request Download. Once you're ready to delete your account, select the little dot next to By Continuing and select Continue. Now it's just going to give us some information about what will happen and how long it will take for our account to be permanently deleted. As you can see, after 30 days, your account and data will be deleted permanently. From here, just select Continue at the bottom. Go ahead and enter your password one more time and then select Delete Account. Confirm one more time that you want to delete your account. All right, and there you go. Your TikTok account has now been deleted. All right, so that's how you permanently delete your TikTok account. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more TikTok tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.